Hallo, ble det noe skade på bilen? Der? Det skade her? Nei. Du har helt sikkert hørt om Bosch tidligere og har kanskje et Bosch-produkt hjemme, men visste du at de så mye mer enn bare elektroverktøy og hvitevarer? De som et høyteknologisk powerhouse som i forkant av temaer som AI, smart mobilitet, helsetjenester og mye mer. Deres teknologier kan rett og slett bli funnet overalt. Tenk på din absolutt favorittbil. Yes, Bosch har mest sannsynlig teknologien i din bil. Det derfor vi her på Bosch Innovation Campus i Budapest. I denne serien skal jeg møte ingeniører som jobber hos Bosch, og jeg lurer rett og slett på hvordan det å jobbe her, hva de driver med, og hvem de faktisk So let's go. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey Joachim, nice to meet you.
Gyula, right?
Yeah, Gyula.
Nice to meet you. I denne episoden skal jeg møte Gyula, som en teknikkentusiast, en stor gamer og en senior-ekspert hos Bosch som jobber med cloud og automatisering. Han litt av en sveitisk herkniv for innovasjon, og hans rolle innebærer å drive med produktutvikling og introdusere nye funksjoner innenfor programvareingeniøranalyse. So what are we doing here at the parking lot?
Today I'm going to show you one of the projects that I'm working on,
cool.
which is a remotely controlled car through 5G.
Okay, what does that mean? Sorry.
So you know when you see a car, you see a driver inside, right?
Yeah.
But in this car, it's magic because the driver is upstairs on the fifth floor. Yes.
There?
Yes.
Okay.
And the car will drive around. You see there is a track that we will follow. And basically what we use it for is testing. So you don't have to come down to the car.
No.
So the car just sits here. You open your machine on the fifth floor.
Seriously?
You start driving and then you do, you know, like all the different scenarios, like parking and etc. And then you record everything.
From above there?
From above there. So it's like home office for the vehicle testing. Do you have a driver's license?
No, I don't.
No, right? I knew something. So basically, this way, you will be able to drive this car without a driver's license.
Okay.
But don't be scared because it's only 5 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, okay, max. So it's quite slow.
It's quite slow. Here in Bosch, it's always safety first.
Yes, that's good, I know.
So if anything happens, there's also a safety driver inside the car.
Yeah.
But eventually, what we can do with it is like we can automate all the testing. So we can do more tests, so we can make the development of these functionalities even safer.
Smart.
Smarter, right? And I worked a lot on self-driving cars. And I think it's a really nice addition to the self-driving technology because if something happens, you know, software error, failures, and etc., then you can just switch a button and someone the other side of the world can just drive the car back to the garage.
The other side of the world?
It's anywhere. So it's connected through internet, and then here we have a 5G antenna.
Yeah.
So the local connection is through 5G, but then after that it's anything, right? And then you will see when you drive.
I will drive?
You will drive.
I will drive?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure about that?
100%.
Okay.
100%. But
dere sikre på det? Dere teamet?
So I just give you like the soul of the car.
Yeah, the soul? Yeah,
So,
I see. Wow.
So you see it's like a spaghetti, right?
Yes, it's a spaghetti.
It's not the most organized setup that you can see, but what you have to know, it's a test setup. So sometimes we take out things, install new things, and it's done really quickly.
Yeah.
But the key thing here is like we have a 5G modem.
Yeah.
So this is how it connects to the antenna over there, like your phone, like mobile phone. And what's the important thing is we need to communicate with the actual brain of the car. So there is a small machine that translates all the incoming information to the car's language, basically.
Yeah.
So then the car can really steer in a way as we wish. And you will see. So if you check inside, there's no manipulation inside the car. So you can see it's a regular passenger car. So no difference, right? So you don't see any robotics for the wheels or the pedals.
It's empty.
It's empty because we directly inject the information into the car's brain. So it will steer itself when we steer upstairs.
Are you sure you think it's okay that I drive the car from upstairs?
Yes. It will be like a Mario Kart.
This
But
is so cool.
Driving a 150,000 euro car at the end.
Yes.
So
But should I do this now or?
let's get up to the fifth floor and then prepare you for the driver's seat.
All of this sounds very cool, but I have to put it to the test.
Of course.
Because I don't believe it before I actually have been testing it.
But then to be really a test, then it should be a time-based challenge.
Time-based challenge, okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you need to complete
Yeah.
the track.
Okay.
We measure the time. We consider the penalties if you hit anything.
Okay.
And then I do the same.
Yeah.
And then let's see who's the fastest.
Ok, nå har jeg blitt utfordret om at den av oss som kjører denne hinderløypen kjappest. Hør her, jeg kaller det hinderløype. Jeg aner jo ikke, for jeg har jo ikke lappen. Jeg tror jeg kommer til å tape, men jeg gleder meg, for jeg elsker jo å konkurrere.
Exact.
Exakt.
So we built this test track. It's fairly simple. It starts with a slalom. Then there is a little kid, which we shouldn't hit. Do a 360, then come next to this car, and then just do a parallel parking. So we will need to connect the car.
Ok.
We'll check out everything, and then...
Jeg blir helt varm jeg nå. Jeg er så redd, jeg kommer til å krasje. Hallo, jeg kommer til å krasje den bilen. But
Because
this looks like when you are at the Mario Kart. And
Yes, basically.
like that, yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
You are
okay.
already prepared.
If I lose, I have to start.
Yes.
And if you lose, you have to start.
No,
Okay?
Still, you have to start.
No,
Just
no, no,
kidding.
okay.
Yeah, sure.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Sorry, Joachim.
You are not sorry.
No, I'm definitely sorry. It's really
But
slow,
it's
believe
not
me.
someone in the car now.
Yes, there is.
Men hva med krasjer da?
You won't.
Ok, 5 kilometer i timen, det bør jeg klare. Ok, ready, set, go! Ok, I'm driving. I'm
You are
driving!
actually driving.
Yes, I'm driving. 3 kilometer i timen.
Without.
I'm amazing!
You're good.
Am I really driving it
Yes.
downstairs or are you pranking me now?
No. And now you can. Turn
Like this?
that. Exactly.
Yes. The kid, poor kid, poor kid. You spin my head right round. Oh my God, when you go down, when you're going down.
You know it's 10 seconds if you hit something. Okay, and now put it in drive.
Drive.
And then you turn full left.
No,
The
left,
other
left, left. Sorry. No, what am I doing now? Okay, like this. That's perfect, right?
More or less.
More or less.
Let's see the judges. How they
Yeah, that's good enough.
Yeah,
isn't
that's
it?
good enough.
Yes.
Nice.
Ok, jeg holdt nesten på å treffe ungen, og jeg traff den fake bilen, men det viktigste av alt, jeg traff ikke den ekte bilen. Hallo, ble det noe skade på bilen? Der? Er det skade her? Nei. Ok, nå må jeg gjøre det litt ekstra vanskelig for han, fordi at jeg skal ikke tape. Så kan jeg flytte på denne her? Få se. Vent litt. Hit. Nå skal jeg vinne. Jeg håper jeg har gjort det litt vanskeligere for han. Ready, set, go! Herregud, this is sick. Okay, to the right, to the right. Watch out for the kid!
Like the kid is safe.
He's actually very good. Yeah. And look, he doesn't do any...
Nothing. I'm not touching the throttle as
Det
well.
her er helt sykt. To the left, to the left, to the left! Oh, he's so good. Oh, he's gonna win.
I'm not so sure. I mean,
Okay, he's actually very good. Okay.
he touched it.
You touched it. Oh, no!
I know, I touched it. Now let's go downstairs and double check the times.
The champion! Who can say that first time I was driving a car, I wasn't even in it?
That's a huge achievement, you know?
It is.
Yeah, of
And
course.
you said also, you know, off camera, you said I was the best driver you ever been
Definitely.
working with. Okay, now we need to know the results.
Yeah, okay. This was a really, what do you say, like a dirty competition.
Yes,
a lot
it
of
was very
cheap
close.
tricks and Joachim, your time
Okay.
without the penalties
Yeah.
was 6 minutes and 29 seconds.
Okay.
But you had 2 penalties.
Okay.
You were touching a cone
Yeah.
and you were crashing the car.
I was. Yeah,
Yeah.
I really was. Okay.
So your
yeah.
end time is 6 minutes and 49 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah,
You never know.
You cheated.
You cheated.
Yeah.
I cheated.
I didn't know about
okay.
that.
Yeah. You on purpose missed 2 cones.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the two cones were next to each other.
No, I was just.
And that gives you a 2-minute time penalty.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Plus
Really
one,
strict.
plus one
Really
crash,
Yes.
which
you
is
crashed
10
the car.
seconds.
So 2 minutes, 10 seconds.
But still, the expert remains the expert.
Yeah.
Your time was then 6 minutes and 9 seconds.
Okay, wow.
Okay, it was really
But it
close.
was close, seriously. I'm
was
actually
really
proud
close.
of that.
You
Yes.
tried.
But this was so much fun. Thank you. Really, I have to give you a
Thank
hug
you,
for this.
thank you.
It's such a cool day at work.
And I hope you enjoyed
I
it,
want to
really.
start working here, really.
Yeah, come, anytime.
Herregud, for en fantastisk dag. Tenk at jeg har kjørt en bil uten å faktisk sitte i den. Sjukt. Hvis du likte denne videoen, så må du sjekke ut de 2 andre episodene vi har laget, som ligger på Bosch sin YouTube-kanal og på deres nettsider. Jeg utfordrer deg til å tenke neste gang du bruker smarttelefonen eller sitter i en bil, og tenke over hva slags Bosch-teknologi som er i den. Så er det bare for meg å si på gjensyn, så ses vi i neste video.